Morning, everybody. I had the privilege of interviewing Michael Douglas. It was fun, exhilarating, and interesting. And one of the most amazing things is they say there are certain people who have charisma and you can actually sense it and an aura and you can feel it. With him, you definitely can. There were 2,500 people in the audience. And somehow, even though I was interviewing him, he just made it feel there was only 2 people in the room. Very special. Here's a clip from that interview.
Hi, Janine.
How do you do?
Love your country. We've spent a lot of time there in Stellenbosch.
Wow, wonderful.
And Cape Town itself is beautiful. I did a movie called The Ghost in the Darkness, and then it used to be called Eastern Transvaal. Now it's called Mpumalanga area. So
I'm impressed.
Well,
You can say it.
yeah, Mpumalanga.
Michael, it's wonderful to be here.
Well, let me try that again. Mpumalanga.
You have bought and sold many properties. You've owned properties all over the world. You could live anywhere in the world. And other than buying property for your own home, what would you say to people as the #1 reason they should buy property?
Well, the combination of the joy that it's going to give you and the idea that it's going to gain value through time. But that is not always the case. And particularly now, we're seeing a lot of areas that since '08, real estate prices in a lot of places, I don't know about South Africa, have not come back even to those prices. You know, we live an hour outside of New York City in a lovely area, and the prices are not back to '08 prices yet. So I think, you know, I used to be driven by real estate by passion, the joy of the beauty or the aesthetics of it. And I've now come to realize that that's a little foolish, and that I have to balance that out with the realities of doing a lot of homework or finding someone like yourself to advise me as to what the best balance is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. Thanks for
Can I give you a hug?
Of course you can. Mpumalanga. Mpumalanga.